क्रॉस ब्रीड है मेरा बेटा।
Vijay Deverakona, the rising star of India's cinemas, no needs to introduction as he currently all over the headlines. Well, he reveals one of the biggest reveals secret about Shah Rukh Khan. Well, this is Jamima. Welcome to Bird English channel.
क्रॉस ब्रीड है मेरा बेटा।
Vijay Deverakona reveals how Shah Rukh Khan declaring himself as the last superstar changed his life. Vijay Deverakona, the rising stars of India's cinemas, needs to no introduction as he is currently all over the headlines. While it is well known that Vijay made it here with no godfather, he surely has a big inspiration. Yes, this middle class boy from Hyderabad dreamt of becoming a big star all because of Bollywood's king Shah Rukh Khan. In an interview, Vijay Deverakona confessed that an interview with the Shah Rukh Khan where he heard the actor declared himself the last superstar changed his life. I can't tell you how much Shah Rukh Khan's success drove me. It showed me in clear terms. If he could do it, why couldn't I? You only need one successful person as a reference point. Vijay Deverakona also admitted that he chose to become an actor not just for a passion but for all the gams and gills it provides. I didn't become an actor only because I enjoy acting. I became an actor because it pays well and I wanted the money, the comfort and the respect. Vijay Deverakona started off his career like every aspiring actor who wanted to become a big star and acted in supporting roles before making his smashing debut with a Pelli Choopulu. Soon he became a household name with his blockbuster film Arjun Reddy, and since there is no stopping him. Vijay Deverakona is currently waiting for the release of his first pan-India film Liger, which also marks his debut in Bollywood. He will be seen as a mixed martial arts fighter with a stammering issue, and Ananya Pandey will play his love interest. Ramya Krishnan, Ronit Roy, Vishu Reddy, Ali, Makarand Deshpande and Get Up Srinu will also essay key roles in the film, along with Mike Tyson in a special role. Liger is directed by Puri Jagannath and produced by Karan Johar. These are the updates about Vijay Deverakona. Keep watching Bird English. Thank you.